Take a ride in the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.